to have an item that then goes into another item. So you might want to put a box into a bigger box for some reason, or just have a nice user interface where people can interact with your website graphically by dragging things around, then this is a really good way of doing it. So let's create a new div, which is going to be our target div, which is where we're going to drop our square into. Again, you can style these however you like. I'll make it a little bit bigger. And give it a background color of yellow. There we go. So I can still move that square around. I obviously can't do anything with this one as yet. So, how does this work? Well, we first of all have to get our target div. So we just select it in the usual way. And now we want to make it droppable. Fantastic. Now, it's not quite as simple as just making it droppable though, because we have to give various options to make this work. So let's specify our options. So the most important option that we need is the drop option. So this essentially decides what we should do once the square has been dropped into the target. So it's going to be a function. This function actually takes two variables, two inputs, UI and event. I'm not going to go into details about what those are. We don't really need to interact with them in any way here, but if you want to, then you're very welcome to have a little read about it on the jQuery UI website. And as always, we'll enclose our function in curly brackets. So let's just do a quick alert for now, just to make sure our code is working. So we drag this around, let go, and it's dropped. Brilliant. So a nice way to show this might be to change the background color of the target square to red or something like that. So I'll leave that as a quick challenge for you to try. I hope you managed it. All we need to do is to select the background, which is the target div, and change the CSS background color to red. Okay, now when we do that, there we go. So that's a really nice visual way to allow your users to interact with your website.